Also tonight, a fourth wave of COVID cases coming close to overwhelming Oregon's hospitals. Good evening, everybody. I'm Dan Tilkin.
And I'm Elizabeth Din. This new wave is making Oregon the state with the biggest increase in the nation in the past 2 weeks. And today, the Oregon Health Authority announced more than 1,000 new cases of COVID-19, as well as 9 more deaths. This continuing the upward trend that Oregon's been seeing.
Governor Kate Brown held a news conference today where she warned the state is on the verge of shutting down businesses again. Lisa Balick was on that news conference. She joins us live in South Portland to explain.
There are two big problems that Oregon is facing. One, not enough people have been vaccinated to keep the virus from spreading. And the second is that people just are simply getting lax about prevention measures that they've been keeping up for months, but now are not doing so much. Now, here's what's happening with some of the counties that we're looking at. There are several counties, more than half the counties, in fact, are at high risk of people getting COVID as their case counts skyrocket. And the governor indicated she may move those counties into the extreme risk category where there are business shutdowns. She wouldn't say which ones. Now, one big reason is that hospitals are filling up fast with COVID patients again, warn health leaders.
Over the past few weeks, we are caring for more patients with COVID in our ICUs who are sicker, younger, and without underlying medical conditions.
Hospital leaders told me today they're considering a pause again on elective surgeries as well. The tipping point is when 300 beds are filled up with COVID patients. Right now, we're at 283 around the state. And that's a tipping point for mass closures in some counties as well. Now, the good news is that half the state's adult population has gotten at least 1 dose of vaccine, but doses still not coming in fast enough for demand, especially in the Portland metro area. Now, while thousands of Oregonians are getting a vaccine daily, it will still be months before everybody who wants a shot will be able to get one, they said today. Now, while Oregonians wait to get fully vaccinated, now more than ever, they need to be socially distancing and masking up. One other thing, too, they mentioned today, the demand for the vaccine in a lot of rural counties is dropping. That is a bad sign because in those counties, not even half those folks are vaccinated. We'll have more on this coming up today at 5. Live in South Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.